Preview.
So friends, I'm back and we are going to draw another easy drawing. So it's a teacup, a cute teacup. So let's start with making the normal teacup. Yeah. And then. So this is done. We're just going to draw a normal cup first. And now we're going to draw some eyes. Woo! And this. So, our teacup is done. Friends, first we made a normal teacup. Then we made 2 eyes. Then a mouth. Then some of the smoke. Hot tea. Hot teacup. So now let's start coloring it. So you can follow the map. Done? So okay. So let's start drawing. So you can slow the video. You can slow the video. Oh, and if you are not done. If your drawing is not nice as mine, it's no problem. The main thing is to have fun. Every video you can slow the video up. You can pass it and still you can follow. So and my teacup is ready. So friends, have a good day. Bye bye.